Okay guys, so we are gonna do the firework call. 1 second. Here. You wanna play catch? Go get it! Okay. So yeah, we're all kind of just playing outside right now. The ball just put up, like the other toys and everything, just put like up there in like the shady area. So before I do the haul, we're just unloading the playpen and everything.
That's everything.
Okay. Here, just put my clothes in the girls' clothes, because clearly I'm not gonna dress them outside. Like, that's just weird.
Yeah. Just put them in the
House close by. These are Zeba's pajamas. This is Amy's.
It's just gonna go youngest to oldest.
And then this is her coat for tonight, so that's gonna go in the
Which
playpen. Jalen's.
Okay.
This is Amy's coat for the night, and this is Ziva's coat for the night. And then these are Jalen's PJs for the night. So that's all gonna go in the house. Same thing with their training paintings
Yeah.
and my underwear.
Mommy, I want to be in the fish.
Hang on. Play with the chalk on the ground.
What?
Play with the chalk on the ground, please.
Mommy, I want to be fish, guys.
They want music.
I don't know. It's Joshua.
Here, Jay. Ready? Throw it. So yeah, now that's done. My dad's getting all pissed off because his music app won't work. And Jalen is playing with the cat and the ball. And Ziva and Amy are playing with the chalk and a bunch of random ass toys. Catch you guys in 1 second.